I wanted to take a moment this morning to express my thanks to Lee's Air for the quality services that they've rendered to my business and into my home. Every time we've needed service for AC or plumbing, they've always been there, on time, every time. Just a few weeks ago, we had a plumbing issue at our business, and it's the restroom we use for our customers, and it got plugged, and it needed to be fixed quickly, and Lee's Air was right there. Another time we had not too long ago, our AC went out, and we have to have a cooled showroom because we have a floral department. And again, a quick call made all the difference, and Lee's Air was right there again very quickly. Again, I can't express my thanks to the services that you render and for the culture that you have in your business that allows your people to do what they do best. I've learned a long time ago that quality service isn't costly, it's priceless. And I'm so grateful that Lee's Air believes in that service and that level of commitment and professionalism in all that they do. Again, I wouldn't call anybody else and use anybody else's services but Lee's Air. Thank you, Tom. Thank you to your people, to your staff, and for all that you do for so many here in the Valley. Appreciate it very much.